guys, first name I'm gonna look at, of course, is Tesla. Tesla has been seemingly bullish, recently. Right now we got the 4-hour chart. Of course, I'm gonna do a little bit of swinging. So Tesla, TSLA, for those of you that don't know, what I am looking at for Tesla is basically it's been trending upward pretty much every morning and kind of trailing off, but eventually it's going to break 800 and stay above that resistance level and keep strong. Tesla has retested this resistance above 800 multiple times, and it has kind of tapered off different areas throughout the day and also different areas throughout the different days. So today, guys, what I am going to look for basically is for next week calls. So it's Thursday. I usually don't like to get, the next day expiring when I'm doing any type of swing. Usually if I am going to swing weekly contracts, it's going to be Monday, Tuesday, and then once it hits Wednesday, that's when I start looking for next week. Basically, guys, as you guys can see, Tesla has bounced off of that, pretty much every other day. So from the 28th-ish around this level, so the 28th down here, the 28th all the way up until today, the 30th, it's been bouncing off of that 20 EMA. So it's using that as a strong support level for me. We had this large bullish run up, guys. We retested that 100 EMA and ran up very strong, and now we're starting to form a bull flag. So if you guys are familiar, we saw a bull flag with Netflix too. That's why I got into it. So right here, we're basically looking to break out of this bull flag and continue an upward movement once more volume and price action kind of flows in. It's kind of down right now, but I love swinging when it's down, guys. So of course, if it does break through 774, 73, I'm gonna be looking like, okay, what's going to happen into tomorrow? But for now, guys, I'm likely going to take the 800 calls. I'm gonna only enter lightly, guys, because I can always add into my position since it is expiring tomorrow. If Tesla breaks through that 20 EMA,
calls tomorrow, they're gonna be dancing.
I'm gonna tell you guys my play, because if it gets over 792, it's gonna be very lovely for anybody trying to get in. So this is my play. I'm gonna take the 800 calls, the 10-8 800 calls, guys. That's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna just get in lightly for now. So 10-8 800 calls on Tesla. The 10-8 800 calls, guys. Those are going to be $13.10 per contract, so $1,310 per contract, guys. So that's the ones I'm looking to get. Good volume at those at that level, so I'm gonna pick those up, guys. So I'm pretty much expecting it to get above 792.93. We might see some downside tomorrow, maybe even after hours, but this is held up very strongly, this 20 EMA, guys. So again, I'm gonna get into Tesla October 8th, and this is a live trade, guys. Tesla October 8th, 800 calls. Current price is $13.10 per contract, so $1,310 per contract. Only going light, so I'm only getting like 2 contracts, nothing crazy. If I need to average down, leave myself room to average down, but this should turn a decent profit, a very decent profit into next week. I'm gonna send that over to Daeza real quick, and he can put that out for you guys in the group, in the live chat. All right, guys, that's the Tesla call.